welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pepsi is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this. Sophisticated sensors ensure the syrup-to-water ratios are perfectly balanced, a critical step monitored closely by our technicians.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Density levels are holding steady at 1.4.
Confirmed. The adjustment was successful. All parameters are green.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Pepsi is made, from start to finish.